Here's a glimpse at what we call flow learning, which was designed by Joseph Cornell. It has 5 stages, and you want to start by picking a focus to your exploration. My focus will be dogs, man and women's best friend. The first stage of 5 is to awaken enthusiasm. And the idea is that each person is to grab their cell phone, and then they have 3 minutes to find the funniest images of dogs. Then they'll gather in groups of 3 and they'll be able to share their picture. It's just a 3-4 minute activity for them to just get excited about dog. The next stage is called focus attention, and you want to take that enthusiasm and you want to channel it. In this case, what I was able to do is we took one of the 7 puppies that our female dog just had, and the whole process is that you are going to focus on a particular object or aspect of God's creation. And so I had 7 campers, and I was able to give each child their own puppy. So they were able to learn how to touch them. They observed the ears, the fur, and they were able to spend several minutes, which for many was the first time, would be the first time that they would ever be able to hold a puppy. As they begin to concentrate, you'll notice there's a natural flow to the next stage, which is direct experience. Full immersion is what you're looking for, all the senses. In this case, each camper would have the experience of being fully involved with the puppies, and they would take turns to call the puppies and let them play with them and just explore what it feels like to just be loved on and play with the puppies. Many don't have the experience of just playfulness. And so this particular direct experience involved playing with the puppies in all different kinds of ways. Carga ahí. From the direct experience, you transition to the next stage where you want to guide them to worship the Creator, not the creation. So you want to open with some time of sharing some of their inspirational moments, creating space which would lead them to a time of worship. And that might be any kind of activity that might involve writing a poem, might involve singing, might involve a time of prayer. The flow learning closes with the opportunity to be a steward of God's creation. And you might, if they're a Christian group, take the time to say, Lord, how can we conserve and be good stewards of your creation? And you allow the ideas to flow. Depending your level of organization, you may even have the opportunity to take them to a dog shelter, or something my kids would do would have little bags of food in the car. The idea is that you guide them and act as stewards of God's creation.